Hello, this is Clinton Smith from Leica Microsystems, and I'm going to show you how you can set up your new Leica DMS300 with reflected light base. Let's begin by assembling the base to the vertical column. You notice that there are 3 screws to mount this column. Make sure that all 3 screws are securely tight. Now we install the microscope carrier. You will notice you can mount this microscope carrier upside down depending on the working length that you need to work with. Next, we simply mount the Leica DMS300 into the microscope carrier. Make sure that the DMS unit is secured with the safety screw in the front of the unit. Now screw in the objective that's included with your DMS unit and the ring light, which directly attaches to this objective. And don't forget to connect the power supply. Should your application require it, you might want to use a diffuser on your ring light. If you would like to use a diffuser, we definitely recommend that you install it prior to attaching your ring light onto the objective. It's much easier. And don't forget to install the SD card. This allows you to capture images in standalone operation. Now comes the cabling. First, we recommend that you install the USB cable from the USB power supply. Then, using an HDMI cable, connect this to your monitor. If you want, connect the foot switch into the foot switch plug. Switch to HD mode, and then power up the unit. This setup works with any HDMI monitor. If you want to use a PC instead of a monitor, the cabling is different. All you need to do is simply connect the USB cable to your computer, switch to PC mode, and power up the unit. Then, simply using Leica LES software, you can control your unit and take images with LES. That's it. Enjoy working with your new Leica DMS300.